Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're here at Mark's again, and we're gonna come and check out what he's doing. I know he has a special project that he's talked about, so we're gonna check it out, visit him, and see what he's up to. All right, oh, that's a nice 4x4 F-150. Here we go. We'll ask what that one's about. Sam, what's going on? What are you doing today, bro?
Right now I'm checking these fuses.
All right.
We got them electrical problems, trying to find it.
Yeah.
Hey, one step closer.
All right.
Getting Mustang running.
One step closer to getting Mustang running, man.
It turns on, but there's a couple of lights that we're getting inside the car, the cluster.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see, try to figure out where the lights are coming on.
Nice.
It's usually
nice,
a wire
nice.
fuse that's burnt or something.
Yeah, it could be.
But to find it,
Yeah, that's the bad thing when it comes to electrical.
It's not that easy.
Oh, no, it's not.
So yeah, it's easy as well.
Yeah,
I'll figure it out.
for sure. But
So yeah.
All right, okay, then this is the Shelby, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is the original 6-speed, right? It's a 6-speed.
It's a 6-speed, yeah.
And tell us about. That's kind of interesting that he wanted to go from manual to an auto. Kind of. What was
he
it?
didn't want to miss shift.
He didn't want to miss shift. Okay.
We did a 6R80 transmission with 3C stock converter from Circle D and upgraded the clutch and the transmission. So
it's pretty cool, dude. I mean, in a way, it's still. Personally, I prefer the manual, but in a way, it's still pretty cool that that you could swap them out. I mean, I would assume I would assume it's almost like just kind of like a literal just transfer of the transmissions, because this is the same body style as a GT.
Well, it's a straightforward install.
Yeah.
The only thing is the electronics.
That would be
we had to contact the US Shift.
Yeah.
And he bought a Quick 6 Gen 2 module.
Okay.
So that's what we're doing yesterday. Seeing what wires we're going to use, because the harness that they sent was like 60 wires, but you're going to use all 60 wires.
Yeah.
Used for, put a 6R80 in a carbureted car, and any car you want, a 6R80 in any motor that you want that will bolt up to it. And they also have adapter plates and stuff, but
yeah.
That's it. So the module, so you can run that 6R80 out that module and not off the computer from the car. Nice. So the module will get adjusted. And then the car will get tuned by Luis Ortiz.
Luis Ortiz, yes. And remember, guys, Luis Ortiz is the tuner for that works alongside with Mark, and he has some pretty good tunes. My Mustang is tuned by him, and it's been great all these years. And the Mustang's already, I want to say, like 6 years, 7 years old. So
yeah.
So this gt500 is a convertible, and it has some graphics there that has, so has a catch can, and that's kind of all I'm gonna show. We don't know what other kind of mods it has, and I'm not gonna mention them if he does have any, but it's a pretty nice looking Shelby, and yep, that's pretty much what they're doing with this one.